Hi guys, this is your girl Diva Fashionista, and this is going to be a review and somewhat of a demo of the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Foundation Stick. Now this is not a new product. It came out about 2 months ago, and from what I can understand, this is a UK based brand because it came out overseas first, and it's just now making it to Ulta. I'm not exactly sure when it made it to Ulta, but I know I was on the Ulta app. Yes, I have the app. Yes, it's that serious. I was on the app looking for new products. I was supposed to just be browsing, and as I was browsing, I saw it, and I was like, oh, I wonder if there's any reviews of this product. I jumped over to YouTube to watch some review and swatch videos, and girl, shade, but no shade. I did not like any of the reviews I saw. I'm sorry, just keeping it a buck. Either it was like I didn't get swatches, I got a lot of chatter, or it was like even the people that was sent like PR packages didn't really give proper swatches. I was just like, oh no. I wound up going back over to Ulta and just ordering all the brown shades because I'm like, I gotta help my sisters out. I gotta help out the people who are thinking about buying this product and just want swatches and just a really good in-depth review. I'll be like, oh, every time I want to leave YouTube alone, I'm like, I can't leave it alone. The game needs me. So here I am to deliver you a proper review of this product. And if you hear my children yelling in the back, it's because they refuse to go to sleep, and I apologize. But you're seeing this a little bit in reverse because my face is done. I am wearing said product. My face is done, and I just didn't really want to be sitting on camera with no makeup for an extended period of time. These retail for $9 American. As I said, I bought them on the Ulta app, so I was able to get them buy one get the second one half off. I have shades 13 through 18 because those are the brown ones. There are 18 shades in this collection, if that's what we're going to call it, or in this range. I think range is a better word. Go ahead and show you the foundation just in case you haven't seen it. They come in packaging just like this. One of the things, I know my ring light is washing it out totally. One of the things that I could say so far so good that I do like about it is that it has it on the top as well as the bottom. The packaging tells you which it is. You ever take the top? I know as a YouTuber, you take the tops off and you're swatching stuff, and then you're like, okay, which was the top to what? So you won't be able to mix these up because it has what it is, and it also has the product information. And if you lift it up, you can read the ingredients, which I think is totally great, which is great especially for such an inexpensive, for a drugstore brand to do. And then you have on the bottom, you have the color there as well. I know you guys, some of you guys like to see how much products it has. I don't really, I don't care. That's not a reason for me to buy a product. I'm more for how it works, how it holds up, than how much I get. But we know we do need to see how much bang you get for your buck. And just as a comparison, to show you a similar higher end product. Okay, just to compare, they're both up and you get about the same amount. Well, no, you get more from the Anastasia, but Anastasia is $25 for this foundation stick and just $9 for this one. And you know what, also with these type of brands, you can always use coupons or points if you have them, so you know that's definitely a plus as well. I'm gonna go ahead and demo this product for you and come on back with my thoughts. So as you can see, I wasn't talking through this demo, and I just wanted to let you know I'm going in with F13. Decided it was a little light and not the right undertone, so I added some F14. Still wasn't giving me the life that I needed, so I went in with some F15, hoping to warm it up or just change the undertone a little bit, but F15 is definitely too dark for me. So I went ahead with my favorite brush, the e.l.f. blending brush, and yeah, this thing blended right on out. The colors meshed well together, but I definitely do not recommend using 3 colors. So now I'm gonna finish my face using mostly Makeup Revolution products. I have the concealer, and I know if you're a subscriber, you're like, we've never heard you talk about this. And the main reason why you've never heard me talk about it is because I don't like these. I don't like them. Everybody was trying to make them seem like they were the greatest thing since Shape Tape. I don't agree. Well, I haven't used Shape Tape either. I'm just not a fan of that brand. But what I will say about this, like, I feel the same way about the concealer as I do as a foundation, is I don't like their shade range. And I did see or hear, but somebody was saying that they plan on extending the shade range, but like this is just the start. But I just don't think that there's enough undertones. I don't think there's enough variety between the shades, and with everything I have to mix. You see, I mixed 3 foundations, and now even with the concealer I have to mix 3. So I have 12, 13, and 14. I thought I had 13, 14, and 15, but now that I see it, I do not. But even with this, I struggle a bit, and now that I'm looking at myself and it's had time to settle, I probably shouldn't have put 15 on my face, but I just felt like 15 had some warm properties to it that I like my face. That's how I like my face to look. But it's a little too dark now that I see it all mixed together. But we're going to fix that. I do have lighter concealer, so I'm going to go ahead and put the conceal in the normal places I conceal, and then I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution setting powder. Say that right? I think I said that right. So I'm going to move in closer so you can just get a closer look at the finished product. So as you saw, I did wind up mixing about 3 colors. I probably didn't need to mix the 3rd color. The first and the second one probably would have been alright. 2 colors. And with this, with the shade range not being so complete, I will have to say the buy one get one actually works out into your benefit, because then you can get 2 light shades or what you feel your skin needs, whether it's a warmer or a cooler. You could go ahead and put them together and go ahead and get your own custom shade. I do like the coverage. It's probably a medium to full coverage, and I don't have problematic skin, even though I do have a little bit of a breakout right now, but that's probably from I'm always trying new makeup products. But I do like the coverage. I feel like it's covered everything. I do have a couple dark spots, just a couple, something bit me on this side, and it's covered. I do like it. I did use a darker shade. I used 17 or 18 to contour, and I loved it. This foundation blends out lovely. I usually use liquid foundation and not a stick, and so I use a brush to apply it. I had no problem. I thought I had my sponge on hand just in case I had to switch up and go on with the sponge, because if I was having problems, but it blended out so well with just the brush, just like my normal or higher end foundations. The contour, I don't tend to cream contour because I usually have trouble blending it out. It blended out like a dream. I loved it. So overall, do I like this product? Yes. But, and there is a but, I just don't like the shade range. I do think you get more than your bang for your buck. I do think it performs at a higher level than $9. And I do think it is definitely, see it if you're on Ulta.com, pick it up. And if you see it in store, which I did not see it in store, I was in Ulta on Friday. Don't come for me, don't judge me, okay? I work hard and I enjoy my money. But if you see it, you do run across these, do pick these up. If you can pick them up at an Ulta store, I probably think that will be your best bet so that you can go ahead and test it out. I hope I was able to help you out with these swatches to give you a better idea of what shade you may need. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I want to thank you so very much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Love to read your comments. All right, guys. Thank you. Later.